Hello everyone, so first we are taking the low ponytail, then applying this pin underneath it. After that taking the remaining hair and then applying a rubber band on it. Then we are going to fold it by using this black pin into this voluminous bun. Next we are taking a low pony and then we are going to lift it up and then loosen it up, and at one side we are going to apply this navy blue pin. After that we are going to take the rest of the hair and then folding them by using this bobby pin into a bun. Next we are taking a low ponytail, we are going to twist it and then folding it into a bun. Now we are going to secure it by using this clutcher. You can even use a rubber. Next we are going to take a low pony and then by using this clutcher we are going to roll the hair on it and twist them around into this bun, then securing it with the same pin only. Next we are taking a low ponytail and then applying this clutcher on it, then we are going to fold it and securing the same with the clutcher. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and applying this pin. Then we are going to again apply a rubber band at the middle of the ponytail and then fold it out along with the pin. Then taking the rest of the hair and folding it with the help of this bobby pin. Next we are taking hair from both the sides, joining it with rubber band and then folding it once. After that taking the remaining hair and dividing it into 3 parts and then making a braid. After that we are going to fold the hair out into a bun and then applying this pin over hair. After that you can see your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides and then securing it with rubber band and then folding it once. After that we are going to make a braid by dividing the hair into 3 and then folding the same with the help of this beautiful pin, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take all of the hair and then we are going to use our finger for folding and twisting the hair into this beautiful elongated bun, and then you can secure it by using any kind of clip or clutchers. Next we are taking a low ponytail and then we are using this red pin and we are going to fold the hair through it, and then you can see a simple and easy bun is ready. We are going to secure it by using the same clip. Next we are taking this pin and then we are going to roll our hair on it, and by using this we are going to convert it into a simple twisted bun and then securing it with the same. Next we are taking all of the hair and then by using our finger we are going to fold them into this elongated bun, now securing it with this beautiful white clip. Thanks for watching.